Hi everyone, I'm Hai Nguyen MKT, a digital marketing automation expert with over 10 years of experience building marketing systems for businesses, online sellers, and affiliate teams across Vietnam. In today's video, I'll introduce you to a powerful solution to help you manage and grow hundreds of Facebook groups automatically. It's called MKT Group. If you're struggling to manage too many groups, lacking time or manpower to post, approve members, boost engagement, or simply want to turn groups into a long-term sales funnel, this video is for you. MKT Group is a software that lets you manage hundreds of Facebook groups from one central dashboard. You can auto-post, auto-approve content and members, seed posts, boost engagement, and track performance of each group easily and professionally. First, the software allows you to add and manage multiple groups at once, categorized by product type, market, or specific goals. Instead of manually posting in each group, you can schedule your content once and the system will automatically post at your selected time across selected groups. You can post text, photos, videos, or product links with full flexibility. Next is the auto approval feature. You can set filters for member approval such as gender, account age, keywords in the post, or location, which helps eliminate spam and keep your community high quality. One of the most powerful features is the seeding engine. You can configure your satellite accounts to automatically like, comment, or share posts inside groups. This boosts real engagement, pushes posts to the top of the group feed, builds trust, and increases conversions. MKT Group also provides detailed group performance reports, tracking how many posts were made, interactions, new members, and weekly or monthly growth metrics, helping you adjust your group content strategy in real time. So who is this software for? If you're doing affiliate marketing, online sales, dropshipping, coaching, or want to build a community that drives traffic and sales, this is the must-have tool. You don't need a team of 5 to 10 people to manage hundreds of groups. With MKT Group and a solid strategy, you've got everything covered. I've implemented MKT Group for affiliate teams, e-com brands, training centers, and digital product sellers. And the results are clear. Save time, increase efficiency, and generate thousands of monthly sales from Facebook groups alone. If you'd like my help to set up MKT Group, build a professional group system, or create automated content funnels and seeding campaigns, feel free to reach out. Contact me via WhatsApp, +84 9616 89768. Telegram, @Hai Nguyen MKT 86, or Facebook, https://www.facebook.com/haimkid.86. I'm Hai Nguyen MKT. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share to support the channel and stay tuned for more practical tutorials on Facebook, TikTok, YouTube automation, and growth strategies. See you in the next video.